Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my beautiful souls. So it has been a minute since I created a video for YouTube, but your girl, I'm coming back, of course. So today I tuned into my beautiful team to see what you needed. And the collective response from my team was money expansion. And why not? Because money is here to expand us. Money is here for us to live a higher level experience. Money is here to just bring us all the things that a lot of us probably felt like we could not have. And that was me. I was in that space of like, money doesn't work for me. Money works for everyone else, but money doesn't work for me. And in all reality, money wants to work for everybody. Money wants to work for everyone, but it's just allowing money to expand us to, we're divine circulators, y'all. We are divine circulators. And it's understanding that this beautiful vessel is a vessel of change, is a vessel of circulation. And the more that we can tune into that, we can actually raise and expand our relationship with money. Y'all, I love talking about money. If you follow me on Instagram, you know a lot of the work I do is around money, especially right now with my program, Instant Money Recode. I'm writing my money book. I've experienced so many magical things around money over even just like the last year. The last 2 years have been wildly amazing for me, and it only gets to get better, and it only gets to get better for all of us, not just me. So today, with that spiel done, I am doing a money expansion activation, and this money expansion activation it's really here to open you up to your next level opportunities. It's really here to release the brain fog, really allow you to cement deeper into your divine root chakra and feel stable, feel safe, feel financially abundant, and feel worthy of receiving that next level financial abundance. So without further ado, as you know, make sure you have water with you all the time. When it comes to light codes, light language, we're activating different codes within you. Sometimes they're dormant. Sometimes we're actually literally bringing in new codes into your body. And in order to do that, we get to replace the old codes. So the old codes get to be released out of your body. And a lot of that happens through the circulation of water, detoxing. So that's why it's so important to really just nourish your body, nourish the waters inside of you. So that's why always, I love to drink water before any activations, after activations. If you need it during the activation, go for it. Okay. All right. Take a deep breath in. I am hyped today, y'all. Okay. Just allowing yourself to come into the space. Allowing yourself to come into the space of magic. Allowing yourself to come into the space of, I'm ready for that next level. Allowing yourself to come into the space of, this is my time. This is my year. I get to experience whatever I freaking want to experience. We want you to be in that mentality. We want you to start thinking about things that maybe right in this moment, you're like, can I really afford that? Get in the space of course I can afford that. Of course I can circulate money to that. Of course I always have enough. That is the energy we get to be in. So one more deep breath in. Chumnaya nayaku, chumnaya miyaki, chumnaya maraki mareu, chumnaya maraku, chumnaya maraki, chumnaya maraku, chumnaya unna kunnarim nyarau. And take a beautiful deep breath in. There's some more. Arianaya kumnaraya kumnarayaru. Amyarara kumnarara kumnararau. Chumniraya miraya kumnirayara. Humniraya kari marayau. Humnarai marara kumnarayari. We always got time for spirit fingers, y'all. So even though the activation was short, that activation was powerful. And this is the thing. When it comes to light codes and the individuals that are doing them, We elevate, and we only elevate to higher and higher and higher, just pure divine light codes. So once again, even though it's a short transmission, they're very powerful. So you might be very tired tonight. You might be hyper inactive. Depending on your body makeup, you're going to receive how you get to receive. What else wants to be said through my divine team is manifesting. If you haven't started manifesting and you're in a space where you're not too happy about what your life, your environment looks like, start manifesting what that next level is. Manifesting is a gift on earth to heal, to receive more, to desire more, to understand that this is a divine life experience that we are creating and having. We are not here to suffer. We are here to live. We are here to breathe. We are here to experience. And especially my queens, my kings here, you're starseeds, you're earth angels. We came for that life experience. We came to play around and see what this universe, earth, has to offer for us. So by us manifesting and allowing more in, our soul gets to expand. Our soul gets to expand in this reincarnation and even for the next reincarnation to come. We are forever a beautiful, evolving soul. So give your soul that life experience that it really wants to just have. So manifestation, y'all. Bam, bam, bam. Amazing. If you don't manifest, if you need help manifesting, reach out to me. I have multiple manifestation programs to help and guide you. I have manifestation calls as well. Those are closed until June, but I do have manifestation programs. And your girl is coming out with a manifestation program because this is the thing. If you have been on my channel or you have been on my Instagram for a really long time, you know that I used to think manifestation was nothing. I was like, I'm going to work really hard for everything and I'm going to get everything I desire. I was working really hard, but I was not getting what I desired. So when I started manifesting, I started healing. It started opening me up. It started opening up my energetic makeup to more. It started expanding me. It started creating higher levels of wealth. And I was like, wait, what? So I created manifestation practices to amplify me, to amplify my experience, to amplify my business. And now I have shifted those in so that other people can experience them because I want everyone to experience life at a high capacity. If they choose to, I am here to support you. So y'all already know I like to snap. I'm here to guide you. I hope you love this activation. There are more coming. I've been doing a lot of lives on Instagram. So if you are not following me, make sure to drop in and follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of lives there and we have fun. We play, we hang out, we expand, do a lot of light codes, do a lot of channeling, all the things. My cat just like ran away. He's like, I'm done with you talking so freaking loud. He loves me though. So what else do I have to say for you? Let me tune into my beautiful team. This is also what I say. Y'all, for the full moon of April 2021, whenever you're looking at this, massive timelines are opening and they open on the 24th of April. They open on the 24th, 26th, a little bit after, depending on who you are, your soul makeup. These are beautiful timelines, y'all. These are massive timelines. So in order to really get on these timelines, it's really important for you to open up to what your next layer actually looks like. Because if you're closed off and you're saying, I'm not deserving, I'm not worthy, it's not here, that's the timeline you're going to stay in. But if you're like, nope, I'm done with that timeline, your girl's calling in all the high level timelines, those are the timelines that are going to open up to you. And even when you get on those high level timelines, yes, you still get to do the work to expand even more. My cute little cat, he's so cute. I love him. But it's going to bring you such beautiful divine energy, expansion, magic, just joy, happiness, love, health, things that you're probably already manifesting. They are on this timeline, so do not miss it. 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 I'm like, do I want to have a full moon ceremony? I'll think about it. And if I do, I'll let you know. But once again, the most accurate news you'll find for me is Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram because I have fun things on there. And we're also having a free community healing session coming up. So hang out with me so we can meet each other. Aww. I think my kitty cat's a little sick. Okay, I gotta go take care of my cat. I love you. I love you. Love you. Have the most beautiful day. Mwah.